A few weeks ago, Claude launched another really good feature for marketers and knowledge workers out there, and it's called Claude Live Artifacts. I would actually call them live dashboards because you can create lead scoring dashboards like this one, for example, and it's pulling real data from the tools that you're already using to track your metrics. And also I could create some SaaS marketing metrics, visualizing the full funnel like this one. Of course, this is currently using mock data. I can't really show you actual data, but as you can see, these could be potentially very valuable. So let me tell you a bit more about these live artifacts, how you can use them, what's good about them, what's not so good, and if you should actually start using them or not. So why these live artifacts or live dashboards are so valuable is because they are pulling real live data from your other tools. So for example, if you're using Post Hoc or Mixpanel or Google Analytics or whatever other data collection tool, you can use that as an input and create live dashboards with the live artifacts feature. And so you just have to make sure that you have all of these tools connected with your Claude Cowork account. And you can do this in this Customize tab, where you can go to the Connectors tab and then just find whatever tools you want to add here. For example, I could use Airtable to pull some data, but there are also options. For example, if you go to the Browse Connectors tab here, then you can see, for example, Post Hoc is here, which is a really popular metrics tool. Also, Mixpanel is available. Google Analytics, unfortunately, isn't here as a connector, but there are workarounds using Zapier, Make.com, or other tools like that. But let's not get into this too much right now. So basically, you need to connect the tools that you're using to get some type of data. And if there's one tool I really recommend you to get, it's Apify. I have it disabled right now, but basically, you just have to go and create an Apify account at apify.com. And with Apify, you can get access to lots of different scrapers. So you can pull in information from TikTok, Google Maps, Instagram, website content, and you can see all of these other scrapers here as well. And so this will add a lot of value into your Claude Cowork setup. And if you go and create the Apify account, you don't actually have to upgrade to a paid account. You will get $5 worth of credits every month. And as you can see, my Claude Cowork has already been working and using some of these scrapers, but I've only used 49 cents out of my $5 free credit for this month. So go and get Apify, connect it with your Claude Cowork, and also connect whatever other data collection tools you have available where you're actually collecting some data already. Okay, and then let's go back. So what else is good about it? It pins the dashboards to the sidebar. You can see them here. And if you don't like the new artifact, you can unpin it and you can access them in this live artifacts folder as well. And you can build these artifacts by going to the live artifacts menu item and then just clicking on the new artifact. So basically it opens up a new Claude chat and it asks you a few questions, but you can just mention that you want to create the live artifact in any other Claude Cowork chat as well. Of course, it was easy to get these done with mock data because it just came up with the data itself. It's not really connected to any tool right now, but I also built it with my actual tools, which unfortunately I can't show right now. And it took me at least half a day to get all of the data correct. But I also think it's mostly because of how you have named the events you're tracking, how logical it is, whatever business logic is behind your operations. You have to explain it to Claude to get everything right. But it is actually really valuable once you get it right. Then Claude memorizes whatever you have going on with your data, so you don't have to reprompt it every day to get the same similar dashboard. So that's the really good thing about it. You just come here in the morning and you check on your SaaS marketing funnel dashboard and it's already updated by the latest information. So you set it up once and then you can just go and check it out. And if you want to start editing something, you want to see something different here, you can go into this edit mode and it opens up a new chat window. And here you can just prompt it in plain English to say whatever else you want to see here. If you want to change, I don't know, colors, numbers, chart types, whatever, and you can do it easily here. But now what's not that great is that if you want to share this, and I feel like live dashboards have the most value when you can share it with your team. But the only sharing option right now is to download it as a PDF. So you can only get a temporary snapshot of what's going on. And I'm sure that Claude is going to fix it soon, and hopefully it's going to create a share link that you can share within your organization, especially if you're on a Claude subscription with your whole marketing team. So I think this is definitely needed and hopefully coming soon. But for now, you can just do the PDF reports and share them with your team weekly or whatever you need to do. And as I said, there are some bad things on top of this fact that you can't share the live link. For example, you can only use it with a paid plan. You need to have a Claude desktop version. You need to use Claude Cowork, and then you can access these live artifacts as well. Also, when you start doing dashboards that need to connect to different tools to bring in data, it kind of slows it down. And I can show you one example. I tried to do a media monitoring tool for my own name, and I tried to use Apify's different scrapers to get some YouTube information, the latest videos for me and my main competitors or peers. Also to use a LinkedIn scraper to see if somebody has mentioned my name or tagged me in LinkedIn, and some other stuff from the web as well. And as you can see, it's totally broken. So I'm sure I could get it to work if I spent more time on it. Or maybe I need to scrape this information into Airtable first and then pull it from Airtable. It definitely needs a better system, but just be aware that it's not as easy as just using one prompt. It might take some time to build these dashboards, but you have to know where the data is coming from, what exactly do you want, and be aware that it might be pretty slow if you want data from many different tools or data points. So as always, it's a great new feature, but it's not completely 100% there yet. And also, as I mentioned, there are no native connections to Google Analytics or Meta Ads or these other platforms that we often use for most websites to track metrics. So we need to use workarounds to get that data as well. So the bottom line is, if you keep building the same dashboards every Monday morning from different sources, or you put it into Excel sheets or whatever for reporting, then this live artifacts feature is actually worth it for you. So if you don't have Claude Cowork set up yet, check this other video on my channel on how to do it really quickly, and then start building your first live artifacts. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.